This is how I wish my workshop looked like, but in reality it's more like this. And today we're going to make a change to it together with IKEA SKADIS and my Bambu 3D printer. So let's go. So I did a futile attempt in the past to already do a little bit of organizing, as you see. I printed some brackets, mounted something, but I didn't really finish it. This is the IKEA SKADIS mounting system or storage system. I already, as you can see here, these are the brackets I 3D printed to mount my tools. These ones for the vault I found on Thingiverse and they work quite well. Here's some hooks. They just simple single layer printed, clamp in really well and can handle actually quite a bit of weight. Here's still a box full of other components I printed before. I've yet to mount it and today we're going to use them. In addition to that, I still have my lathe. The tools are all over the place and that also needs organizing, so that will be the second step in this transfusion.
2 hours later.
After the hand tools were organized, it's time to tackle the lathe. The first step was removing the guard, as it's always in the way and was going to block the storage. After that was done, it's time to line everything up and get the new pegboard mounted. So to organize the rest of the tools, I needed some custom 3D printed parts. So I jumped into Fusion, designed a few parts and 3D printed them. To print it, I used my Carbon X1 from Bambu Labs, and as a filament I used some cheapo China PLA carbon fiber. I like it because it's easy to print, still looks good, and is quite a bit more affordable than the nylon counterpart. So now it's printed, let's go start and test it out. I'm quite happy with everything how it turned out, and now it's time to tackle some other projects. See you next time.